How to configure an expansion system for zero export. This is a critical step. You must configure the new Enphase expansion system as a zero export system. Failure to do so could lead to issues with the utility. There are two ways to do this: using the Enphase Installer app or ITK, and using Enphase Enlighten Manager. Setting zero export using the Enphase Installer app. APEL, Aggregate Power Export Limiting, is required for all systems participating in NEM zero export system expansions. To configure APEL using the Enphase Installer app, follow these steps while commissioning the system. Tap System Details in Step 1 of the Installer app. Access the drop-down menu under Grid Connection Type. Select NEM Multi-tariff Zero Export add-on. By selecting this grid connection type, the Installer app will automatically enable Zero Export PCS on the expansion system. Then verify Zero Export settings are set under Configuration Details. Tap Site Configuration in Step 2 of the Installer app. Tap the Aggregate Power Export Limit submenu, and verify Aggregate Power Export Limit in watts is 0. Setting Zero Export using Enlighten Manager. APEL, Aggregate Power Export Limiting, is required for all systems participating in NEM zero export expansions. To configure APEL using Enlighten Manager, follow these steps. Click the Activation tab. Click System Information. Click Change under Grid Connection Type. Select NEM Multi-tariff Zero Export add-on, and click OK. Lastly, verify Zero Export is set using Enlighten Manager. Click the Activation tab, click PCS-based limiting, click Aggregate Power Export Limit, and check that Aggregate Power Export Limit in watts is set to 0.